So I have here these Dragonfly yard decorations, and I'm going to kind of give you a look of the quality of them. They are brightly colored. You have two of each color. You have two red, two green, two yellow, and two blue. Here's the red one. It looks like a toy. I wouldn't say it looks realistic, but for yard decoration, or for some people report these things scaring away insects and bugs and things, you might want to give it a try. So this is what it uses to clamp onto whatever it is that you want to clamp onto. So you can use this to clamp onto things like a fence like this, outdoor patio furniture, maybe even the entrance to a shed. All kinds of places you can attach this, whether as a decoration or as a insect and bug deterrent. Anywhere that you clip it should work just fine. Like I said, the body of these does look quite colorful, a single color with some dots there on the tail, but I really like the wings of these two. It looks really fun. Thin plastic, but kind of gives the effect of actually flying. Pretty cool. The clip is fairly strong and opens about 1 inch wide, and it can be clipped to many things, giving you a fun effect. The wings do let you bend them a little bit to shape them the way that you want, just a little bit, whether up or down or however you want like that. And yeah, leads to some fun decorations. So if you're looking for some fun outdoor decorations, I'll give these a try. Kind of fun.